Hi, welcome to What's New in SolidCAM 2021. In this video, we will see what is new in SolidCAM 2021 and Turbo HSR. And in Turbo HSR, we have introduced a new boundary function called as automatic 3D boundary. So let's add a Turbo 3D HSR operation. Okay, so I'm going to use a contour kind of a roughing, and the tool that I'm going to use here is a 12 ball nose. So select 12 ball nose. In the levels, it's automatic. In the constraint boundaries, we earlier had only automatic boundaries and manual boundaries. Now we have automatically created 3D boundaries, and in 3D boundaries we have got three methods. One is the part fill out method, part end height method, and the tool contact method. So we are going to see the part fill out method first, followed by the tool contact method, and then by the part end height. So let's select the part fill out. In the process, 1 millimeter, let's say 40% is our step over, closed offset. Okay, this is it. We will provide a step kind of a retract, blend spline here. Okay, let's save and calculate this operation. Okay, let's calculate. So we have the toolpath here. Okay, now if we simulate this toolpath, now what happens in fill out is that the software looks from the Z direction and tries to find out the 3D boundary of the shadow region. So in this case, it's going to be this particular edge curve that will separate the shadow region from the light region, and it's generally the regular boundary that it will create. So let's simulate this. Solid verify. And what you see here is that when it goes to the final pass, the center of the tool will be exactly on the boundary. So one of the reasons what happens here is that one of the effects is that it doesn't remove material here completely, because the tool will not violate the boundary conditions. It will come exactly, the center of the tool will be exactly on the boundary, so it tends to leave material here. If it was a flattened mill, it's a different story. If it's a bull nose, it's a different story. It's a ball nose, it's a different story. So we've used a ball nose to highlight the issues with part fill out. In order to overcome such a situation, in the boundary itself, we have got an option of tool contact. Okay, in tool contact, as you can see here, the tool will go down till the final contact is made with the part, so it can override the boundary condition. So let's calculate the same tool path now. And now if I go into the simulation, what we do is, let's go into the same view and let's run the simulation. So the simulation is done. You can see that it now doesn't keep any material. It goes down till the final pass, till the final contact of the tool has been made with the part. So that's the fill out tool contact option. And the last option we have here is the part end height, in which the tool will go all the way down up to the end point of the part. You don't need to specify anything. What it will basically do is it will create the boundary using the fill out option and then offset it by the tool radius. So let's run the calculation, and you'll see that it will encompass the entire part. Okay, so it encompasses the entire part by machining it everywhere. So this is the new feature in Turbo HSR in SolidCAM 2021. Thank you very much for watching this video.